Good morning, children. I hope you are fine at home, doing well, and welcome to your English class. So this is for grade 6, unit 4 prose, an Indian American woman in space. An Indian American woman in space. Now let us move into the lesson. An Indian American woman in space. So the introduction about this lesson is about a tragic incident happened in Kalpana Chawla's life. She is called as the magic woman. She was called as the magic woman because of her achievements. Right? She has born in a very middle class family and she has achieved to be the American Space Research Center's one of the very greatest astronaut. Right? This lesson throws light upon a tragic incident that had never happened before. It was when an Indian woman, American Kalpana Chawla, the magic woman, was a part of the international crew aboard in the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go to space. She was the first Indian woman to go to space. We are going to see the summary of the lesson. As a child, Kalpana never dreamt of space travel. It was not sufficient for her to graduate from an engineering college. After graduating as an aeronautical engineer from Punjab Engineering College, she went for a master's degree to the United States in spite of her father's opposition. So mostly the Muslim family, they will not allow women to go for higher studies. But she, after doing her UG degree in aeronautical engineering, that is Punjab Engineering College. After finishing aeronautical engineering, that is BE, and then she moved to the higher studies and master degree. After that, in spite of her father's opposition, later she even did her PhD in that subject. She had the pride of being the first India-born American woman astronaut to blast off from Florida and be a part of the successful space mission. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. She was born in Haryana, but how did she become the US citizen? She married a flight instructor G. Pierre Harrison. Apart from being an astronaut, she was also trained to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single seaplanes and gliders. She also very well versed pilot. So she was a certified flight instructor. She also became a flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, she decided to apply to NASA's Space Shuttle program and was selected for training as an astronaut. She was an extraordinary woman who thought differently and was an enthusiastic and optimistic person. Her first space mission was 16 days long. How many days she spent in the first space mission? Yes, it is 16 days. During this time, she traveled 10.45 million kilometers in 252 orbits. The crew means the group of people who traveled along with her. The crew had 7 members and they conducted 80 experiments. The group, okay, that is called the crew, had 7 members and they conducted 80 experiments. How many experiments? 80 experiments. They also checked if food could be grown in space. They also checked food could be grown in space. How stronger metals and faster computer chips could be created. How to create computer chips, how fast they can make them. The news of Columbia disaster made everyone grief-stricken. Finally, what happened? After completing the successful mission, before the craft was about to land, it was blasted. A shock wave was spread everywhere. So a journalist called her a heroine. She had enormous potential and wide information, encyclopedic knowledge of each subject. Her achievements were actually marvelous. She created history and became an inspiration for everyone. Her life is a testimony that dreams can get success. The only thing we need to make them a reality is courage and vision. So what we need achieve her mission. Even after a very great opposition from her father, she did not stop with her UG degree. She completed her PG as well as PhD and became a successful pilot, and then she became a flight instructor too. And this instructor means a teacher, and she was married to a flight instructor. One more another flight instructor named Jean Pierre, and she became the naturalized citizen of America, and then applied to NASA space shuttle program, and then was selected as an astronaut there, and she completed successfully 2 missions in the space. After coming back during the second mission, she unfortunately died in the space craft crash. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travels. Unlike a rocket, this is not a rocket. For example, between Earth and the space station. So, the space shuttle is used to travel between Earth and the space station very often. Use a dictionary to do the tasks below. So, find the meanings of the given words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. Example, first one, naturalized, US citizen. So, what would be the meaning of naturalized US citizen? Second one, space, frontiers of space. Aboard, lift off. How is the different from take off? Lift off. Lift off. How lift off is different from take off. And crew. Let us look into the answers now. The process to make someone a citizen of a country they were not born in is called naturalized. So leading people. So what is leading people? Frontiers of space is called leading people. And E. When an aircraft or spacecraft takes off, we call it as lift off and not take off. Lift off is a point of launching of an aircraft or spacecraft vertically, whereas takeoff is the phase of flight where aerospace vehicles goes from the ground horizontally to fly in the air. You can call the flight as takeoff, but the spacecraft will be starting from down straight towards the space. So it is called lift off. So notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? In American English, airplane. We use it as aeroplane. That is British English. As we follow only the British English. Program. So British spelling for program is P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E. A news report. So this is a news report which came in the newspapers during the death of Kalpana Chawla after the spacecraft crashed. So tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strike on Saturday. So during the time of landing. So 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board, the shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. 1930 hours. So what is 1930 hours? It is in the form of railway timing, right? So as it came for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey. When entered in tragedy, this was Columbia's 20th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So the shuttle was also very good in condition, but unfortunately it has been getting flamed. Flamed means caught fire. So broke apart, crashed, on board, or in craft, staying in aircraft. So let us move into the explanation. Here I have explained with hard words of the passage. As a child, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karna that she would cross the frontiers of space. Who are the frontiers of space? The leaders. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tabur school. It was very much enough for her when she was getting into the college and finishing her UG degree. Allowed means it was very great for her for allowing to get the UG degree. That is, allowed means permitted. Next, she moved into higher education. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went to a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. And participate in a successful mission in space. So her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So after doing her bachelor's degree, then she went to America for getting what? Higher education. But after earning the PhD degree too, she was married to a flight instructor, and then she applied for the NASA's research center. Yes, and then she was successfully selected as an astronaut there. First, actually, she was selected as a research person. After that, she was selected as an astronaut. She got training, and then she went in the Columbia Space Shuttle. All her family members, along with the colleagues, they cheered her when the Columbia was lifting off. Lifting off means what? Moving. And astronaut means a person trained to serve as a crew member of a spacecraft, one who travels in a spacecraft. Blast off. Take off from launching site. Blast off means take off from a launching site. Kalpana's other achievements. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen married to a flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison, as we saw in the summary. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes. So not only she became an astronaut, she was a very good flight instructor as well as a pilot. So she has handled single engine seaplanes and gliders too. So these are kinds of aeroplanes. And she was also a certified flight instructor, a teacher. And after qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. What is that? She applied to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Besides means apart from gliders, fixed wing aircraft. It is a type of aircraft. Next, followed the dreams. How did she follow her dreams? When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought. She never ever dreamt of that. While pursuing my studies or doing anything else, that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. She doesn't want to have the dreams in common. She had a unique dream to become an astronaut. So what was her dream? She never thought that she was a woman whenever and wherever she studied. Yes, so during her college, during her school times, she had never thought that she is a woman. Yes, so that too in those days it was very difficult for women to get educated, right? Yes, so she has become an astronaut where everybody were only men. So she chose a career which is not selected by any other women. And people who were around what you want to do. Carry on. So what was the parents or the people around her say? If that was your dream, that was your aim, you can carry on. They never opposed her ideas. So even though they were opposing, whenever even her fathers opposed for going to America to get educated, higher education, she did not listen to it. She was very firm in her belief and her aim. She was very strong enough. Pursuing, following or continuing. The first space mission. Kalpana's first space mission in the shuttle was Columbia. Was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. How many days? 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. So after 15 days, completion of 15 days, it passed 16 hours and 34 minutes, right? So it was on her 16th day. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. How many times? 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Who were there along with her? A Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts along with her. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants. Pollinating plants means what? They just spread over the plants. And to observe food growth in space. How the growth of food is taking place in the space. And a test for making stronger metals in the space and faster computer chips. How to make the faster computer chips. All for a price tag of about $56 million. So what was the price for that? $56 million. Pollinating means the process of taking pollen from one place to another. So you know about pollination, right? You would have learned about wind pollination. Yes, water pollination, taking the pollen grains from one flower to other places in order to increase the growth of plants. So the same thing was done by them in the space too. The news of shock and disbelief. What was the news of shock and disbelief? On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. What was the shock and disbelief? Nobody could believe that the spacecraft has been exploded and everybody in that were dead. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. So all the people in the birthplace of Kalpana, what was the birthplace of Kalpana? It is Karnal. Everybody had stick on to the television that somehow the crew and Kalpana would be surviving. They would not have died. But unfortunately, everybody in the spaceship has been dead. A journalist wrote that she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything. It is not very easy to get into a research center, that too in America. From biology to astrophysics, we should know about biology and astrophysics. You should be well versed in science, right? You should also be specialized in mathematics too. And you must have encyclopedic knowledge. What is encyclopedic knowledge? What is an encyclopedia? You can gather any information from encyclopedia. It consists of everything in it, right? All the living things, the instruments, everything can be given in the encyclopedia. So your mind should be like an encyclopedia, right? And to be an astronaut, you should be like a encyclopedic knowledge you should have. And her achievement is awe-inspiring. It was very much inspiring. What is awe-inspiring? It was awesome. And disaster, a sudden accident or natural calamity that causes damage or loss of life. Disbelief, lack of belief in that. Glued, stick, enormous, huge, encyclopedic, comprehensive and complete. Astrophysics, branch of astronomy that studies physical nature of celestial bodies, that is stars, sun, all other things. Aeronautical, science of building aircrafts, awe-inspiring, stunning, astonishing, amazing, remarkable, awesome. So all these things. Inspiration for Indians. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success exists. May you have the vision to find it, to the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off and this journey would fulfill their dreams." Aboard means on an aircraft or spacecraft. On an aircraft or spacecraft. So what is this message tells? She just explained there is existence of everybody's achievement. The only thing is we have to have the courage and find our goals and have the courage to achieve it. Right? Aboard means on an aircraft, traveling in an aircraft. From the aircraft, she has given this message to the college students in Chandigarh, where she had got educated. So I hope you have understood the lesson. This is part for recapitulation. Your work is you have to read the lesson from the book and answer the questions given here. Where did Kalpana Chawla born? What was her educational qualification? What is the dream about your life? You have to understand the lesson and write it. This is the dream about your life and what steps you have taken to achieve it. Yes? So will you do it, children? Yes. Now we have come to the end of the session and I hope you have understood the lesson well and will meet you soon.